Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and find your Steam Guard app. Okay, tap on it to open it up. And then once it's opened, go ahead and find Steam Guard right here. Okay, and these tabs. Tap on it, and once done, you'll have the cogwheel right here or the gear icon. So all you got to do is just tap on it. And then after that, here we have remove authenticator option. All you got to do is just tap on it. And then once done, it says here, trades and market listings will be held by Steam for up to 15 days. Now, if you don't have a trade or market listing, well, just click on remove right here. Also, removing your authenticator will reduce your account security. So keep that in mind. Once you've read everything right here, go ahead and tap on remove authenticator. And after that, there will be a confirm button in the next page. So just click on confirm. And then your account will now revert to sending Steam Guard codes via email. All right. And that's how simple it is to remove Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. Now, if you want me to create a video about removing authenticator and you've lost access to your phone, okay, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. But that's it for now. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.